Congratulations, you signed up for this 30-day yoga challenge. You're the type of person who takes your health and your wellness serious. I put together this course that's going to help take your 30 days to a whole nother level. So before you even get to the 30-day challenge, I want you to learn some fundamental things. First, whenever we get to our yoga practice, the focus is always on the breath. And we're going to breathe in through the nose and out of the nose to help our mind relax, calm down, and focus. Second, we're going to use the whole body. I'm talking about the whole body. Yep. We're going to stretch all the way from our toes to the top of our head and our fingertips. And when we do that, we want to be mindful of our body. So if you make a move and it's a little painful, if you make a move and it feels like your breath is short and your body's going to ask you to stop, go ahead and stop. It's about safety first. We're going to make it through this 30 days and you're going to be better, not more injured. So whenever you feel like your body's saying stop, stop. Relax, release. This is yoga. Take it easy. And the third is about being in a state of mindfulness. I want you to think about it right now. Is your heart going? Is your breath going? Is your blood flowing? These are all things that happen automatically. But when we are in our yoga practice, I want you to think about where you place your hands, where you place your shoulders, where you place your feet, and then let it go. That's all a part of being mindful and in the present moment. And we do that by combining that breath with the movement, with the focus to help change and transform your day. It's going to take this 30-day challenge to help you step into the renewal. But even more, we have this course for you that's going to take your life and renew it. So go ahead and click the link below to learn how you can get your yoga and meditation beginner's course right now. Today, it's for you. It's going to have tons of tips and tools to get your yoga and your meditation practice started. And when you combine that with the 30-day challenge, you will have a life transformed to help you go from yelling to yoga. All right, let's get yourself some renewal. Go ahead and click the link below to find out how you can get this amazing course, the beginning yoga and meditation course for you. All right, let's go. Day 12 it is. We are focusing today on yoga for a better posture. We spend so much time here, hunched over. We have our forward-facing body, our rounded shoulders, our caved-in chest. We want to breathe and open up. We want to get into our posture. All right. If you want to help to increase your posture position, we're going to do some postures and poses today to help our posture poses to get our posture going. You can roll those shoulders back and down. One of the biggest things in posture, besides not to being on the computer all day, on the phone all day, hunched over on the steering wheel all day, is being confident and powerful in your mind. So we're going to start out with breathing in our mountain pose, where my feet are hip distance apart. I'm going to roll my shoulders back and down, just open, drop my hands to the side. We're going to take 3 deep breaths. And these are going to be breaths that help us focus on our highest and strongest and best self. So we can walk into any room proud. We can sit up nice and proud. We can feel good about ourselves. The top of our head is pulling straight up into the sky. Our tailbone is all the way lined up with our neck. Everything lined up to the spine. Standing here. We're going to breathe into the belly. So we're going to feel the belly rise and then exhale, let the belly collapse. We're going to start on the count of 3, 2, 1. Let's inhale. We exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Working my way down through this small pose. I'm going to bring my hips forward, shoulders back, chest right here, the sternum. The breastbone, pull that up, relax the shoulders down, and just get natural. My chin drops down, knees slightly bent. When we talk about our posture, it's just not our back and humped over the shoulders. It's in the hips, it's in the knees, it's in the chest. Of course, like you said, it's in the mind. It's in understanding how you're standing, what's going on. All right, so we're gonna help our posture develop a little bit today by building up the back, the hips, and relaxing the shoulders. All right, we're gonna come down to our tabletop position here. We're gonna start out here. Good. And from the tabletop position, I'm gonna push my hips back and come to a child's pose. There it is. Stretching out the shoulders, stretching out the back. My shoulder get a chance to kind of roll up and drop down. Letting the shoulders loose. Relax, release. Forehead relax. Just let the body's natural posture take over. Because we taking over. Good. Hips are relaxed. We're going to breathe here for 5, 4. Get settled in. 3, 2, and 1. Take our time to build the foundation. Good. So from here, I'm going to press my hands to the ground, keep my hands pressing to the ground, and then just lift my head up, lift my chin up and through. Let the shoulders fall back down towards the back. I'm like squeezing my shoulder blades and bringing them back down. And bring my shoulder heads back down. Oh, that's a good stretch in that upper back. Ooh, I wish you could hear my spine, my top vertebrae. Ooh, this popping and cracking. Oh man, releasing all that tension from being hunched over. Taking the time, breathe in. And then drop it down, the elbows, the head, the hand, dropping it down. Oh, building that strength up. Good. We're gonna rock the hips up. Come to our hands and knees. Good. Moving the shoulders left and right, moving the head, moving the hips. Let the body wake up. Good. I'm gonna press that right shoulder, stick right hand into the ground. Adjust myself. Take the left hand, and I'm gonna wave it. So right hand presses the ground, left hand comes up. Reaching back. See how my chest opens up, everything just opens up here. I can even lean back. Oh, feel good. That's okay for your shoulders. And then sweep it down. Extend out. Again, coming up and around. Coming up and around. Up and around. Slowly come down. Press that left hand into the ground. We're gonna inhale, come up into our cow. Open up to the chest. Oh boy. And then round through the spine. Good. Inhale, coming back into the center, that hip top position. Press my left hand to the ground. Excuse my back, but I want you to see how it looks from this position. I'm going to inhale slowly, roll that arm up. Oh, and I'll lean back and open up. Ooh, nice twist in the body. Everything's opening up. Relax the shoulder, relax the arm, and then sweep it down and around. Get involved. Reach out, stretch out. Inhale, open up. Oh, good. Inhale. And come on again. Good, good, good. Slowly press the hand down to the ground. Move the hand side to side. Relax, relax, relax. Good. Inhale, come up. Cow pose. Ooh. Exhale. Cat pose. Inhale, come into the center. All right, fellas, stick with me on this one. I'm gonna walk my hands out. Oh, dropping the chest, dropping the arms, dropping the elbows, dropping the head. All right. Hips stay exactly where they are. Knees stay exactly where they are. My arms come out. Puppy dog pose. My chest just relaxes and folds in. Big stretch in the upper back, expanding through the chest. Good. And if you don't come all the way down, it's all right. Stay just walking your hands out there, letting your chest fall in between. Bring our chest forward, bring the posture open. Relaxing the shoulders here. Oh, you can extend the arms out some more. Big open in the front of the body here. Stretching. Releasing the tension and the tightness in the chest and building strength in the back. Do it for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Walk those hands back. Good. Press that right hand down to the ground. Ooh, I feel things twisting and releasing. Bring that left hand straight out. So my right hand in the ground, left hand goes straight up to the sky. Open up to that twist there. I'm gonna take this left hand, I'm gonna bring it down. I'm gonna thread the needle. Right hand and the right knee are aligned. I'm gonna bring my left hand right through the needle and come down to that left shoulder. Oh, bring it down. Woo, feel that twist on your shoulder. It feels amazing. I have my right hand pressed in front of my face, giving me support. My shoulders drop down. Releasing tension and tightness in the top of my back. If you want, you can bring that right hand forward. See what that feels like. Relax the head even more. Stretching all through the shoulder blade, the back of the shoulder, neck. I know. Stretch it out. If you want to be more of a twist, you can bring that right hand up and back. Maybe over to the side. Stick with me. Relax and release. Good. Inhaling. Reach that right hand up. Press into the face. Into the ground in front of the face. And then roll out. Oh, bring that left hand all the way up. This has already just changed your day, hasn't it? Yep. Pull that left hand up. Exhale, drop the left hand down. Same thing, other side. Right hand, which is up. See how my shoulders are aligned? Hopefully, I want to bring them in line together, hands in line. And then bring that right hand through. Left wrist, left knee. Coming down onto that right shoulder. Oh, boy. My shoulder blade, that right shoulder blade is just opening up. I feel the tension in my back just loosening. So everything is being gently opened and the back is being strengthened. So my posture is saying $1,000,000. Yeah, stretch, breathe in and out. Relax into it. You can bring that left hand out in front of you. Left arm around. Figuring it out wherever you want to go. It's good. Slowly back and away. Press that arm down. A big shoulder opener right here. If you didn't know, now you will. Tuck the toes. Raise the hips up and back. Come into your downward facing dog. Now see how your hips reach up, and then you're trying to bring your chest towards your toes, and you gotta open up the shoulder blades to come back even more. So I mean, like, bring your shoulders like wings, trying to flap your wings, hang your wings behind you, and bring your toes, your nose to your toes. Feel that stretch. Oh, get long. Whew. All right. Dropping down. Drop your knees down, but you bring your hips back towards your ears. If it don't work like that for you, go ahead and get a blanket, a bolster, and sit your hips into your legs and sit up nice and tall like this. See how my shoulders in line with my hips are trying to get here? And we breathe here for 5. Relax the hands, heroes. 4, stay calm, remain confident. Drop the chin a little bit, there you go. Bring the top of the head up, pull yourself out of the spine. 3, 2, 1. Take a deep inhale. Relax and release. All right, working on that posture, daily practice. Always roll the shoulder back, bring the chest up. Thank y'all so much for joining me. Hope this has done wonders for your postures already. And as always, feel free. And namaste. Peace. See y'all tomorrow.